So, hello. In this session, I will discuss test case about the test case. So, what is test case? Why we write the test case, and how is the right test case? What process or procedure we should follow uh, writing the test case? Okay. So, test case. Test case is basically um, when we will do the test, so that is the we will write the step or scenario under understanding the requirement and functionalities of the applications. Then we write the step, or we can say the scenario. Okay. So a well written test case ensure through testing of an application and helps identify defects. Okay, so a well written test case ensures through the testing of an applications. So how I test the application, so that will be ensured after writing the test case. Understand? So what is test case? So a test case is ensured through the testing of the application. Keep in mind this point and this line. When interviewer asked you what is the test case, you just say this uh, sentence. Okay. So test case is ensured the through of testing of an application and identify helps the bugs. Understand? Testing a test case is ensured. A test case is ensured through the testing of an application and helps identify the defects. Okay. So steps to write test case. So first, uh, we should understanding the requirement of client requirement, then the functionalities of the application. Understand? First, we should know the what is the requirement from client side, then functionalities of the application. Okay. First, understanding. Suppose client requirement is the sign up, sign in. Um, After sign in should be the redirect dashboard, and after dashboard when we will click any product. So after redirect the product page, and should be displaying product information, and after will any extra things click, suppose for the shirt size, shirt color. After choosing the click of add to cart, then redirect to the cart page. Okay, this is the functionality. So understanding of the requirement and functionalities of the application. Okay, and it's the smaller modules and identify key areas to test. Understand? So define the test case title. So what is the test case title? Test case title is the we will write the title of test case. Provide a clear, concise title for the test case. Suppose example, what is it? Verify successful user login with valid credentials. Okay, this is the title. Okay, understand? So what is the title? Provide a clear and concise title. Provide a clear and concise title for the test case. Okay. So when we write the test case, so provide a clear and concise title for the test case. So example, verify successful user login with valid credentials. Understand? After test case ID. So assign a unique identifier to each test case for easy tracking. What is the test case ID? Assigned the test case ID for the unique identification for easy tracking. So why we write the test case ID for the easy tracking. And what is the test case ID? It is the identify of the unique number. Okay. So what is the test case title? Test case title is the provide clear and concise title for the test case. Okay. So what is the test case title? Test case title is the clear and concise sentence. And test case ID. Test case ID is the unique identifier number for easy tracking. Okay. So test case ID is a unique identifier number for easy tracking, and test case title, it is the concise and clear sentence. Okay. So next, preconditions. Preconditions is the suppose any condition that must be met before executing the test. Suppose, or example, before executing the test, we should active the Wi-Fi, and we should open the Chrome browser or Mozilla Firefox, and after we enter the browser. Okay, so that's the preconditions. So precondition is the list of conditions that meets executing the test case. Okay, so what is the precondition? Precondition is the when we will start the testing before we are ensure the meets of executing test case. Okay, so list of conditions that we will follow executing before the testing, right? So test step is the step by step instruction how execute the test. Okay, step by step instruction how to execute the test. And another of the types is the what types of test case, like the positive or negative. Suppose positive test case, if the we say uh, after enter all details where we click the sign up button, so the page should be displayed sign up successfully. Okay, this is the positive test case. And negative test case is the after any invalid email id, uh, provide any invalid email id and click the sign up button, should be displayed the email id should be correct. Okay, or invalid email id. So this is the negative. And test data is include any data required for the test, such as username, password. So for the sign up we should provide the suppose test user password or confirm password, email id. Okay, that's all. And expected result. What is the expected result? Expected result is actually basically what should be the test uh, re- result. So suppose for the sign up page, we can say after enter all details should, when click the sign up button, should be display the sign up is successful. Sure, it is the expected result. And uh, actual result is if the same as expected result, so we can say same as per expected result. Okay. And post condition, it is the mention any action that need to be performed after the test execution. Okay. So, so what is the post condition? Post condition means many. So mention any action. So mention any action that need to be performed. Mention any action need to be performed after the test execution. So if we tested the CMS application, so after if change anything, so if change the image or any content, so after execution we should uh, change change the uh, before content. Okay. uh, Means suppose have a right, suppose this is the test case. Okay, this is the test case. So when we testing the CMS application, so after we just change, this is the test case testing. Okay, so after when we ensure the reflected after backend to front end, so then what we what is of our post condition? Post condition is we should delete the testing one. Okay, so this is the post condition. And status, um, status, what actually the status, this field will be updated after test execution. Okay, typically as pass or fail, right? And second, any reference, so attachment include any screenshot logs or reference documents support the test case. So next video we will starting the writing test case. Okay?